Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, which is 5 raised to power x plus 2 equals to 24. From here, what we have follows when we have a raised to power m plus n, which is the same thing as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. That is, here, this becomes 5 raised to power x times 5 squared equals to 24 here. And this also same thing as 5 raised to power x times 5 squared, that's 25, equals to 24. The next step, we divide both sides by 25. Divide this side by 25. Also, divide this side by 25. Then here, 25 cancelled each other. And we have 5 raised to power x left here, which is equals to 24 over 25. The next step here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 24 over 25. That is, from here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. That is, what we have here becomes x log 5 equals to log 24 over 25. Then from here, we divide both sides by log 5. Divide this side by log 5. Also, divide this side by log 5. Then here, log 5 cancelled each other. And we have x left, which is equals to log 24 over 25. Then divided by log 5. That is, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a over b, the same thing as log a minus log b. That is, here what we have becomes x equals to log 24 minus log 25 over log 5. That is, also here we separate this into two fractions. And what we have becomes x equals to log 24 over log 5 minus log 25 over log 5. Then from here, 25 same thing as 5 times 5, which is 5 squared. Then what we have now becomes x equals to log 24 over log 5 minus log 5 squared over log 5. Then when we apply the power law of logarithm here, 2 comes here. Then what we have becomes x equals to log 24 over log 5 minus 2 log 5 over log 5. That is, from here, log 5 cancel each other. And we have 2 left. And we have x now equals to log 24 over log 5 minus 2. That is, also here we can separate 24 as 8 times 3. Then what we have now becomes x equals to log 8 times 3 over log 5 minus 2 here. Then also here, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, which is same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here, this becomes x equals to log 8 plus log 3 over log 5. Then minus 2 here. Then separate this into two fractions and we have x equals to log 8 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 2. That is also from here, 8 same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. Then what we have becomes x equals to log 2 raised to power 3 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 2. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm and 3 comes here. What we have becomes x equals to 3 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 2. And next step here, we apply change of weights. So when we have log A over log B, which is same thing as log A to base B. Then what we have now becomes x equals to 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2. So here we have the value of x in this problem as 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2. Now let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2 here. Then what we have becomes 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2, then plus 2 here. Is it equals to 24 on this side? Then from what we have here, minus 2 plus 2 cancel each other. We are left with 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 24 on this side? And also from here, this follows when we have a raised to power n plus n, which is equals to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. That is, here we have 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 24 on this side? Then from here, we can reverse this 3 up here from power law and we have 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3 base 5 times here we have 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 24 on this side? Then this is the same thing as 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3, that's 8 base 5 times here we have 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 is equals to 24 on this side. That is, what we have here follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is, here we have 8 times here we have 3 is equals to 24 on this side. Then 8 times 3 here give us 24, which is equals to 24 here. Now we have the left hand side equals to the right hand side. Hence from here we conclude that x equals to 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2 satisfies this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video with some and put your comment. See you next class. Bye for now.